All right, we're here this week out in Flint, Michigan with my soon-to-be father-in-law here, Chad. We've got his 65 Chevy C10 that we're going to do some work to. It's been sitting around for how many years?
I've had it for 5.
5 years. So
and nothing done for 2.5 at all, nothing.
So it's been a sight for sore eyes. We got to get this sucker on the road. So we're going to see what we can't get done today, and we'll go from there. Okay, so what we had to do with this truck was pull the motor and trans out. This motor and trans my dad built up a while back and actually had it running on a test stand when we put it in this truck. There was no torque converter bolts, nothing like that, no motor mount bolts. So we had to take it out, get the motor mount bolts up in there. And there was a mouse living in the intake. So we just pulled the intake off to double check everything in here and make sure it's good to go. It's all cleaned up, did a little paint job on it, painted the transmission. We're gonna bolt these together and slide it back in the truck. Well, the truck is covered up. The motor's been freshened up, pulled out. We got the correct motor mount bolts in. We're gonna have to do a couple odds and ends to really get everything finished up with mounting that stuff. But everything's clean. There's no more mice living in the motor. Got the frame all painted thanks to the ladies today. Yeah, it was a good day and made lots of progress, so we'll be able to move forward on getting some suspension done on this in the future and getting it setting on its own. It's on jack stands right now. That way we can hook up fuel lines, brake lines, and do the rest of the wiring, and then we should be able to fire this thing up.